Mouse click suddenly stopped working in Ubuntu. This is a weird one. For some reason, last night my mouse partially stopped working. Movement is fine, but the mouse buttons don't work. Mainly it's the left button, but occasionally the right click and scroll will fail too. Initially I thought it could be the mouse itself. The left button seemed to get a bit soft recently, but I tried another mouse and had the same issue. Both are USB wireless optical mice. The keyboard is working okay 95%, only problem is Alt plus Tab doesn't seem to work. Both keys work fine independently. At the time it happened I was using Chrome. I dragged the scrollbar to scroll, and when I released the mouse it was still holding scrollbar. I'm using Ubuntu 9.10. I upgraded weeks ago and everything was working fine, so I don't think it's related to that. I also hadn't run any updates. I have now just in case something fixed it. But no luck. Any ideas?
I found that this was just a problem with the mouse. The left button has pretty much stopped working. Other buttons seem to stop working because the left button gets jammed. After restarting with the other mouse plugged in, it worked fine. Damn, I seem to have gone through so many mice and/or keyboards recently.
Got this one too. The odd thing is, it doesn't take clicks from my mouse, but it fully recognizes my touchpad. Anyway, opening a terminal, for example comma and NBSP, with Ctrl plus Alt plus T, and typing, will make it work if you're using Compiz. If you want Compiz back, type, and the mouse will work again. It's easier getting to the terminal if you have gnom-do or if you assign a hotkey to it, like the /Windows key or tilde. Warning, don't stop metacity/compiz commands once started or you'll be in worse situation than you were before. Warning 2, the above command can force to log out, but still it's useful for issues like command key, super key, doesn't work. Left click doesn't work.
For what it's worth, I went into the package manager and searched for mouse. After that, I clicked on all the already installed applications, there aren't that many, and reinstalled all of them. Then I searched for keyboard and did the same thing. Not much change there, either. Finally, I searched for input and found a file called input attach. Reinstalled it and my mouse problems are solved. Works like it did on the day I installed 10.04. It's so nice to have a mouse that behaves itself and works like it should. Again, I'm a relatively new Ubuntu user, but instead of asking a lot of questions and then waiting for someone to reply, I decided to try and do something about it on my own, and solved my mouse problems, computer mouse, that is. What the file reinstallation cleared up was the need to click several times to open up a folder, having to hold the button down for sometimes as long as 3 or 4 seconds before the click would be activated, or having to right-click to open a folder or open a file with a particular application. Just wanted to share this with you since the input of my mouse now seems to once again be completely and fully attached to my computer.
Some things to try. Switch to and from a virtual terminal Ctrl plus Alt plus F1, Alt plus F7. Activate the screen lock Ctrl plus Alt plus L to hopefully reset the X11 window manager. Restart the window manager with something like display equals 0.0 marker replace. You need to replace Marco with whatever window manager you are running, Compiz, Unity, Metacity. Close any virtual machines, VNC clients, games, etc. that might have grabbed the mouse. For example, Kill All from Player might initiate a virtual machine suspend operation.
If you want to report the channel, please